ET Brand Equity brings to you top stories of this week. The cusp between 2020 and 2021 feels like everyone needs to look through a looking glass of their own to see the world anew. With the advent of work, live, play at home era, the impossibility to plan in advance has erased the concept of linear time, and as many experts say, yearning, especially in moments of uncertainty, can be really grounding, which leads us to 5 hacks to norm the storms of 2020 as we step into 2021. The first one says, real is virtual, virtual is real, wherein as our screen time increases, there will be moments when we start feeling empty. That is when we will renew our respect for visceral experiences like handcrafting furniture or wielding a paintbrush on a canvas. The next hack says, inclusivity and exclusion will both flourish. Paradoxically, as social distancing restrictions continue, we are desperate to be together even as we rapidly adapt to life apart. Now, it is less about proximity and convenience and more about intimacy and connection. The slow movement is really picking up pace. In India, we have witnessed a reverse migration of sorts from urban centers to smaller, semi-urban or rural settings. This has obviously been enabled by digital connectivity improving everywhere and a year of work from home attuning us mentally to dissociate with cities and office spaces. The last 2 hacks suggest that necessity is the mother of all discoveries and that degrowth is not anti-progress. According to data provided by TAM ADEX, the general entertainment channel genre covered more than 1/4 of the ad volumes in 2020. Ad volumes resurged on GECs during the 3rd and 4th quarter between June and December. The month of October and November had the highest share, 10% each, due to the festive period. True Shield hand sanitizer was the top brand between April to June and in August. E-commerce, media, entertainment and social media saw the highest increase in ad secondages during 2020 compared to 2019 in the genre. Aurangabad bench of Bombay High Court on Tuesday declared as illegal the propagation for sale by advertisement as well as the telecast of advertisement of articles that have the name of any god or Baba attached like the Hanuman Chalisa Yantra, as well as articles claiming special or supernatural powers bringing wealth, prosperity, progress in business and career, recovery from illness and in marriage matters. Indore-based Telemart shopping network had argued that the ads neither fell within the ambit of the Black Magic Act nor under the Television Networks Act. Adani Wilmar has stalled the advertisements of its Fortune Rice brand cooking oil, which feature former Indian cricket team's captain Sourav Ganguly, who recently suffered a heart attack. The development came after social media users criticized and trolled the advertisement, which prompted the brand as one which keeps the heart healthy. However, Anshu Malik, Deputy Chief Executive of Adani Wilmar, said that the cricketer shall continue to remain the brand ambassador of Adani Wilmar and that the halt in the TV commercial is temporary. That is all for this week. You can find us on our social media handles mentioned on the screen.